Hello student, welcome to my class. I will be teaching about levels of testing, which is of 6th semester information technology. I am Sri Debashish Nanda, lecturer Bose Cuttack. The topics which I want to cover in this class will be introduction about software testing, levels of testing. There are 4 levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. In this part 1 of my class, I will be covering the first 2 units, that is unit testing and integration testing, along with some inputs for software testing. So before knowing levels of testing, we should know what is software testing. Software testing is an investigation conducted to provide stakeholders with information about the quality of software product or service under test. Software testing involves the execution of a software component or system component to evaluate one or more property of interest. So what this software testing will evaluate? Software testing will evaluate the requirements that guided its design and development. Here you can see clearly, if the software meets the requirements that guided its design and development. So second, it will judge the response correctly to all kinds of inputs given to that software. Next, it will perform its functions within an acceptable time. And the other point is, it should be sufficiently usable. It can be installed and run in its intended environment. And lastly, it achieves the general results its stakeholder desire. That means the user requires something and has asked us to develop the software. So last, it should see that that particular stakeholder's interest is observed. So what is this concept of testing levels? During development, the software is developed in terms of components or units, and these units are combined into modules, and modules are combined to build the system. That means the smallest thing while a software is developed is units, which is then combined into modules, and modules are combined into build the system. Secondly, it will be very complex if we will start the testing after the complete system is developed. So we have to start the testing at every level of the development. So first we need to test the components or the units, and then we have to test the modules, and then we have to test the system. So what are the 4 levels of testing? Broadly speaking, there are at least 3 levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. However, a fourth level, acceptance testing, may be included by developers. This may be in the form of operational acceptance testing or be simple end user, that is beta testing. That is testing to ensure the software meets the functional expectations. So I have a picture before you, figure a pyramid in shape, and we can observe the bottommost is a unit testing. Then on it we have integration testing. And what does it mean? It means after the unit testing is conducted, integration testing will be conducted. So third one in the pyramid will be the system testing. That means after these two are performed, the system testing will be performed. And the last one, to cap it all, will be the acceptance testing. So this is the pyramid of levels of testing, which is very important. So now we will move into unit testing. What is this unit testing? A unit or component is the smallest entity in the software. Every unit has to be tested separately to check whether it is as per the specification or not. Unit or component testing is done only by the development software engineers. For example, suppose we have implemented a stack. Stack means we have seen in restaurants the plates are kept one on other and it forms a stack. So that is a concept of stack. We have also seen in some marriage ceremony where the chairs have been stacked to form a chain type of element. So we have to write a main function, a push function, to push an element into the stack, and a pop function to pop an element from the stack. We can consider each of the three functions of a unit. Initially, we may just write the code for the main function. How do we test it without push and pop functions? Instead of the statement that calls the push function, we can just write a statement that prints call push here. Similarly, we can write a print statement that prints call pop here in the place of statement that call pop function. If the main program works, then we can develop the push function. Replace the above print statement with the call to push function and then test the main program along with the push function. Then we can develop the pop function and test the program for entire stack implementation. That means we will leave a line where we will insert a statement and then replace the statement with the code or the unit or the component and test again the main program. So, unit testing refers to tests that verify the functionality of a specific section of code, usually at the function level. Unit testing alone cannot verify the functionality of a piece of software, but rather is used to ensure that the building blocks of the software work independently from each other. So let us go and know something about module testing. So a module is an independent entity in the software. The tested units are integrated into a module, and each module is tested separately for the specifications. For example, if the software is a database management system, the modules can be database, backend, and the user interface is the front end. The database can be tested separately using the SQL commands to check correct data retrieval. However, validation of the front end forms requires a database. So after testing the backend module, the front end can be tested after the integration. After completion of testing a module level test has to be prepared. So in a nutshell, we can say unit testing is a software development process that involves a synchronized application of a broad spectrum of defect prevention. We have to note it, a broad spectrum of defect prevention and defection strategies in order to reduce software development risk, time and cost. It is performed by the software developer or engineer during the construction phase of the software development lifecycle. Unit testing aims to eliminate construction errors before code is promoted to additional testing. Next, we will move to the second level of testing, which is the integration testing. Integration testing is any type of software testing that seeks to verify the interfaces between components against a software design. Software components may be integrated in an iterative way or all together. Normally, the former is considered a better practice since it allows interface issues to be located more quickly and fixed. After the modules are tested, the modules can be integrated together. It is a difficult task to integrate all the modules together and start testing, as it would be very difficult to do the debugging. What is this debugging? That means find out bugs in the software module. The integration has to be done incrementally and testing is performed step by step. Once all the modules are integrated together, the system is ready for testing. Considered an e-learning portal. Some important modules in this portal are given in figure 1, which will come after this. Broadly, The portal consists of 3 modules: admin module, tutor module and student module. This is the graph of e-learning portal, where you can clearly see there are 3 modules. Here first one is admin module, second one is tutor module and third one is student module. Admin module is again having user management module, tutor management module, student management module. These 3 modules independently tested and integrated to form this admin module. Similarly, tutor module also is having 3 independent modules, that is content management module, program monitoring module, online test allocation module. These 3 again integrated to form the tutor module. Next one, there are 4 modules integrated to form the student module, like chat module, email module, online content and online test. So this is again these 3 modules in the top: admin module, tutor module and student module. They are forming the e-learning portal. The student module in turn consists of a number of sub-modules such as chat, email, online content and online test. The tutor module contains sub-modules for content management, online tests allocation and progress monitoring. And the admin module consists of 3 modules. They are user management module, student management module and tutor management module. During the construction or implementation stage, all the sub-modules or components are developed. You can start integrating the sub-modules of the student module, build the complete student module and then test it. Similarly, you can integrate and test the tutor module and the admin module. After each module is tested to a great extent, integrate all the 3 modules and build the complete portal. Integration testing works to expose defects in the interfaces and interaction between integrated components or modules. Progressively, larger groups of tested software components corresponding to elements of the architectural design are integrated and tested until the software works as a system. Integration tests usually involve a lot of code and produce traces that are larger than those produced by unit tests. This has an impact on the ease of localizing the fault when an integration test fails. To overcome this issue, it has been proposed to automatically cut the large tests in smaller pieces to improve fault localization. पिलाने आज मो क्लास रे आमे जानिया पाइले यूनिट टेस्टिंग आउ इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग जो दुईटा टेस्टिंग कला परे सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग रो किछि पोर्शन काम हो जाए एवं तापरे आउ दुईटा टेस्टिंग पोर्शन थाए से दुईटा टेस्टिंग पोर्शन सिस्टम टेस्टिंग आउ एक्सेप्टेंस टेस्टिंग हैला परे सॉफ्टवेयर पूर्ण मात्रा रे तैयारी हो जाए कस्टमर हाथ को जीवा पाए। तेणु प्रथम आम शिखिले यूनिट टेस्टिंग। यूनिट टेस्टिंगटा कौन जिते सॉफ्टवेयर तैयारी आरंभ हुए सेतेबेले कस्टमर जी कही थाए तार रिक्वायरमेंट से अनुसार आमे तार कथा धरिकी तार जो रिक्वायरमेंट थाए ताकू आमे कौन करूँ सॉफ्टवेयर रे परिणत करूँ एवं सेटा को गोटे यूनिट बोली आमे धरू ए यूनिट रे आमे टेस्ट करी तार भूल धरिकी फिर एगेन आमे ताऊ करेक्शन करिकी आमे टेस्टिंग पोर्शनटा यूनिट रो सारू यूनिट रे जतबेले सबू टेस्टिंग सरी जाए तापरे आमे सबू यूनिट जो गुड़ा तैयारी करथाऊ सॉफ्टवेयर पाई सेतबेले ताकू इंटीग्रेट कर दऊ एवं इंटीग्रेट कर दे साइला परे सेतबेले सॉफ्टवेयर रो तैयारी किछि मात्रा रे हो जाई थाए तापरे इंटीग्रेट कला परे आमे सिस्टम टेस्टिंग करू एवं सिस्टम टेस्टिंग सरला परे आपातत सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट हो जाई थाए एवं तापरे जेतेबेले आमे सेटा को कस्टमर को नहीं देखौ कस्टमर ताकू निजे गोटे एक्सेप्टेंस टेस्टिंग करे एवं तार जहाँ रिक्वायरमेंट से देइथिला से गुड़ा इनपुट देकी से ये देखे जे केते मात्रा रे तार जो रिक्वायरमेंट आमे सॉल्व करि पारिचु एवं सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट करि पारिचु। तेणु वर्तमान से ये रो चारोटी क्वेश्चन मु देइछि। प्रथम क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ यूनिट टेस्टिंग फॉर ए सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लिकेशन। तेणु यहीटा गोटे यूनिट कौन पाई लिखा हुए गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर रो एवं सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लिकेशन रे तार को जगार कौन काम करे ए विषय रे व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ यूनिट टेस्टिंग रे तुम मैंने उत्तर देव। तापरे हु कैन परफॉर्म यूनिट टेस्टिंग एठी आमे कौन करिबा यूनिट टेस्टिंग टा किए करे बोली आमे सबू ता विषय रे एठी आमे उत्तर दबाकू पड़िबो। तेणु यूनिट टेस्टिंग किए करंती एठी सॉफ्टवेयर जे डेवलपर थाए सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर थाए से माने करंती ना कस्टमर निजे करे ता भितरु तमे बाछिकिरी लेखिया पड़िबो एवं कहिया पड़िबो। तापरे व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग एक्सप्लेन इट विथ एग्जांपल। आमे मध्य गोटे एग्जांपल देइचु इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग रो एठी से इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग रे ई पोर्टल रो थिला जो थरे कि तीनोटी मॉड्यूल आमे इंटीग्रेट करिकी देखैले एवं ई पोर्टल रो टोटल सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट हेतिला। हाउ इज यूनिट टेस्टिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग एटा चतुर्थ क्वेश्चन। तेणु चतुर्थ क्वेश्चन रे आमे कहिबा यूनिट टेस्टिंग आउ इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग भितरे डिफरेंस कौन कौन अच्छी आमे जहाँ आज पढ़िले जदि कहार किछि ता विषय रे जानिवार थाए ताले मते मो व्हाट्सएप नंबर रे कांटेक्ट करिवे जोटा कि स्क्रीन रे मु देइछि। धन्यवाद।
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओं पछरे नाहांती। एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील मानू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने को ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशल तालीम। एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठु आगरे सबुठु उपरे।
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा।